Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out here at Bushnell Motorsports Park. We are kart racing today. We are fresh off a sick week. They're currently racing. It's still Saturday, so they're up there doing their final day, and we're here kart racing. It's been a long day. I didn't get home till about 1 o'clock this morning. We packed early, got out here. We were already teched in, registered, and ready to go. We just got to do a couple little things to the kart just to make sure she's dialed and ready for the first practice. Fired up. Alright, we got the idle dialed in. We had to turn it on quite a bit because it was cold, so had it idled up a little bit to keep her running last time. So she's good to go. Now we just gotta wait a few minutes for the driver's meeting, and then the first practice sessions are gonna start. I'm not sure exactly what the run group is yet, but I'm sure we'll find out in the driver's meeting.
A few moments later.
We just finished the driver's meeting. We are going to be the second to last group to run. I think there's 6 or 7 groups that are going to run today. We're going to start with a practice session, then we'll move into qualifying, then there will be a heat race, and then the final feature race, and that will conclude today's program. Quite a few people out here, and I'm excited. It's going to be a great time. Enzo's excited too. My man, he goes everywhere with me. He's having a great time, chilling. We have a little bit of time before we're out there for our first practice session. I'm gonna do my best to capture some content for you guys, but I am honestly exhausted. It's been a really long week. I'm not feeling the greatest, so we're gonna do the best we can. We're not gonna push it too hard. We're just gonna have fun, get some seat time, and we'll see where it goes. Well, we got the first practice out of the way. We did pretty good. I was expecting to go faster because we have a fresh set of tires, and we did. We ran a best of a 61.3. Overall, our lap times were pretty consistent. However, the kart felt pretty loose, so we're gonna try to play with some tire pressures and tweak the alignment just a hair to see if we can get a little bit more out of it. All right, guys, they just called us up for qualifying. Let's see if we can put down some hot laps. We just finished our round of qualifying. We did make some adjustments to the alignment in the front end. What we did is took some camber out of it, so I had about 2 degrees of negative camber. I brought it down to 1 just because the outside of the tire isn't quite wearing as much. You want to maximize the contact patch as much as possible. We did lower the tire pressures not too much. It did feel like it gripped up the rear end just a hair, which is good. So we qualified 5th out of 7 in our class, and we're not too far off the pace, considering we did start practice with a brand new fresh set of tires, and at least the fast guys, they started their qualifying on a fresh set of tires, and we already had scrubbed in tires. Expected that they would be a little bit quicker. But when it comes to the heat race and the final race, by then everybody's tires are scrubbed in, should even out some, but there are still some fast guys out there. We got some competition ahead of us. Guys, we got the senior heavy,
you should be on the grid. Senior heavy, you're on grid.
Well, that answered my question. The legends are out there on the track right now.
You're on pre-grid.
We should be up for our heat race in a little bit, and then the feature after that, where I'm not going to make any changes to the kart post-qualifying and kind of just stick with what we got. The kart feels pretty decent. I don't want to make any drastic changes, not really knowing which direction to go. We're just going to leave it as is because the kart did pretty well, so we'll just see how she does. One thing we might consider doing is changing our gear ratio for a future race. We're not going to do it today, but I would like to see how we do in the pack during this race to see if we do need a gear change. We are geared a little low, so we are hitting the rev limiter in certain areas of the track that we probably shouldn't be, which just means we can accelerate a little quicker out of the corners, but we just lose a little top end speed. We'll just have to compare to the other drivers out there and go from there. Well, this isn't exactly the update that I wanted to give, but unfortunately, we have an issue with the cart. One of the rear axle bearings is kaput, and I don't have a spare one. There are other racers out here who probably have a spare one that I could probably put in it, but I also just really don't feel well, and I'll let the younger kids have their glory in their race. So we're just gonna finish packing. We're gonna hang out for a bit and watch the last of, actually we're gonna finish watching the last feature races, then we'll bug out of here. So we're not gonna leave yet. We'll watch some highlight reels here. We're getting ready to race under the lights. Unfortunately, we're out, but we're gonna stick around and watch some racing. Well, we're back at the shop. Obviously, our race day did not go exactly as planned. We are going to go through the cart, check out these bearings, see what's going on there, and just give the whole cart a once over and get her ready for the second race that we have coming up in a couple of weeks. I just want to give a huge shout out to the Bushnell staff and all the racers that were there. They were super helpful, very welcoming for a first time rookie racer like myself. Everyone was just as awesome as they could be. And also to you guys watching out there, I see you. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Drop a comment below. And as always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.